Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 5, parts of plant. Like humans, plants also have different parts. Each part of the plant has its own function. Let us discuss these. A plant has two parts. The part below the ground is the root, and the part above the ground is the shoot. The shoot is made up of stem and its branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Each of these parts has its functions or job. Now let's start with the root. All plants do not have the same kind of roots. Some have main root, which has branches growing from it. The main root is called the taproot. Sunflower, dahlia, tomato, spinach, and chili are some plants that have taproot. Most trees and the shrubs have a taproot. Next we come to the fibrous roots. Grass, rice, wheat, maize, onion are some plants that do not have a main root. Instead, they have a clump of the fiber-like roots coming out of the base of the stem. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Now next we come to the main functions of the root. Generally the root has two main functions, but we will discuss other functions also. Number 1, the function of the root is to fix the plant firmly to the soil. The root spreads out into the soil and holds on to it. This also helps the soil to stay in the place. Soil that is not covered by the plants get blown away by the wind or washed away by the rain. This is called soil erosion. So plant protects the soil erosion. Second, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and the minerals come from the soil. They are dissolved in the water, absorbed by the root, and these minerals are very important for the growth of a plant. Now other functions of the root are, some plants have roots that do their other jobs. For example, the roots of carrot, radish, turnip, dahlia store food. The plant uses the stored food to grow. New plants can also grow out of these roots. Next we come to the prop roots. Banyan trees have roots growing out of their branches. These roots grow downwards and enter the soil. Then they grow thick and act like pillars. They are called prop roots because they prop up, support the tree. Next we come to the climbing roots. Money plant and beetle, pan, which we call pan. Basically, these plants have roots growing out of the stem. These roots are called climbing roots because they help the plant to climb. Now, the stem we will discuss in the next class. Bye bye, stay safe, stay happy.